Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Avril, and if you're new to my channel, I upload a video every week. So please make sure you subscribe and hit the bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. Hi guys, thank you for joining. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to create this faux concrete vase with things that you may already have lying around at your house. Want to know how it's done? Stay tuned. Here are a few things you will need for this project. Okay guys, so the first thing you will need for this project is any type or size of vase. I went ahead and chose 3 different sizes. Now let's get ready and mix the plaster. Let's start by putting our gloves on. I went ahead and mixed 1 cup of plaster with water until I got my desired consistency. At this stage, the plaster mix should be a more watery consistency. You could play around with this paste by adding water or plaster until you get your desired consistency. Once the paste is ready, you need to generously apply the paste onto the entire vase. Just remember guys, you need to do this process as fast as you can because the plaster will dry up fast. I repeated this process for all of my vases and set it out to dry. It's been 30 minutes, it's dry and ready for its next step. Okay guys, at this stage the plaster mix should be more thicker and pastier. Once you have got your desired consistency, you should then take the paste and mold it around your vase. Don't forget guys, you need to be quick with your plaster since it will dry off fast. Also a quick heads up, if you're planning to do more than one like I am, you need to do it in batches. This technique would ensure that your plaster would never dry out. Just remember guys, take your own time molding it until you get your desired look. I repeated this process and set it aside for the next step. So the next step is sanding it. Once the plaster has completely dried, I then took a 240 grit fine sandpaper and sanded it slightly. Now it's ready for its final stage and look. Since I wanted it to look more like a faux concrete vase, the next step was to concrete it. So I decided to get some cement mix, add a little bit of water and make a runny consistency. Now it's time to dip them in the cement mix and create your desired look. Here you see me trying out a couple of designs, but at the end I decided to have everything neutral. This is the end result guys, and I love how it turned out. Hope you all love this project. I would love to hear from you. Please do leave a comment. Okay guys, hope you all got inspired and enjoyed watching this video. Please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit the bell and subscribe to support my channel. Until next time, happy crafting!